Good morning. My name is Ridhan Gupta. We have learned vowels in English. There are 5 vowels in English. A, E, I, O, U. A-E-I-O-U.
Now, Ridhan, can you write your name?
R I D H A A N.
Now, Ridhan, can you please circle the walls in your name?
I A A.
Now, Ridhan, can you tell me the beginning sound in your name? And what is the end sound in your name?
Thank you.